Type of question is very important for SCE point of view. 7 number question is y plus 1 upon 1 plus y square, 1 plus y square. Similarly, second fraction is y minus 1 upon 1 minus y plus y square minus 2y square upon 1 plus y square plus y to the power 4. We have to simplify this question. And this type of question is very important for SCE point of view. So before to take the LCM of denominator, if possible, we factorize the denominator. So look here, 1 1s are 1, and we have to find two factors of 1, which is 1, which is not possible, because the two factors of 1 are 1 and 1. If we do 1 plus 1, it becomes 2. If we do 1 minus 1, then it becomes 0, but we need here 1, which is not possible, means this denominator cannot be further factorized. Similarly, this denominator also cannot be further factorized. So, first two denominators cannot be further factorized. So, we are taking the LCM of first two denominator, that is 1 plus y square, 1 minus y plus y square. Now, which factor is not here from the LCM? 1 minus y plus y square. So, this y plus 1 should be multiplied by 1 minus y plus y square. I am arranging it. Y plus 1 can be written as 1 minus y. Y plus 1 can be written as 1 plus y and into 1 minus y plus y square. Similarly, if I take minus common from here, then this becomes minus 1 minus y. And which factor is not here from the LCM? 1 minus y plus y square we have already. Which factor is not here? 1 plus y square. So 1 plus y square. This should be multiplied by minus 2y square upon. We are going to factorize this last denominator. So 1 can be written as 1 square. And y to the power 4 can be written as y square whole square plus this y square as it is. Now look here, if you suppose 1 as a and y as b, then this is in the form of a plus b. A square means 1 square, which is 1. Minus ab means 1 into y minus y plus b square means y square. So this is in the form of a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square, which is the formula of aq plus bq, that is 1q plus yq. To change it in terms of formula, instead of y plus 1, I have written here 1 plus y. Similarly, to change it in terms of formula, instead of y minus 1, I have written here minus common 1 minus y. Minus, similarly, if I suppose 1 as a and y as b, then this is in the form of a minus b. A square means 1 square 1 plus ab means 1 into y plus b square means y square. So this is the formula of aq minus bq. aq means 1q minus bq means yq. Denominator same, 1 plus y square. Denominator same. And this is 1 minus y plus y square minus 2y square as above. Now, if you consider 1 as a and y square as b, then this is in the form of a square plus b square. A square plus b square equals to what formula you know? Correct. A plus b whole square, that is 1 plus y square whole square minus 2ab means 2 1s are 2 into y square, 2y square plus this y square as above. 1 cube means 1. This is y cube. minus 1 cube means 1, minus minus plus y cube. Denominator same, that is 1 plus y square, 1 minus y plus y square, minus 2y square, 1 plus y square whole square same, minus 2y square plus y square becomes minus y square. Here plus 1 minus 1 cancel, plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So what is left? Y cube plus y cube, 2 times y cube, 2 times y cube, and denominator same, 1 plus y square, one minus y plus y square, this is also same, minus 2y square. If you suppose 1 plus y square as a and y as b, then this is in the form of a square minus b square, which equals to a plus b a minus b, that is 1 plus y square plus y, 1 plus y square minus y. Now, first fraction as it is, 2y cube, 1 plus y square, 1 minus y plus y square, minus 2y square. I am arranging it in ascending power of y. That is, firstly, ascending power means from lower power to higher power. So what shall I write? 1 plus y square, and this can be written as 1 minus y plus y square. Both fractions have same denominator. So when both factors have same denominator, we have the same LCM. So what will be the LCM? Same. 1 plus y square, 1 minus y plus y square, 2y cube. Since denominators are same, so numerator will be also same, 2y cube minus 2y square. Look here now, 2y square is common. What is left here? Y minus 1. If we multiply these two terms, then it becomes 1 plus y square plus y to the power 4. This is simplified. Question number 8 is, students, x minus y whole square minus z square upon x square minus y plus z whole square. Similarly, second fraction is y minus z whole square minus x square upon y square minus z plus x whole square plus z minus x whole square minus y square, and denominator is z square minus x plus y whole square. This is also very important question. And how can we simplify this? To simplify this, we factorize numerator of each fraction as well as denominator of each fraction also. So if I suppose x minus y as a and z as b, then this is in the form of a square minus b square. And a square minus b square equals to what formula we know? A minus b times a plus b. That is, x minus a means x minus y plus b means z. This is a plus b. A minus b, a means x minus y, minus b means minus z. Similarly, in denominator also, if you suppose x as a and y plus z as b, then this is in the form of a square minus b square, which is the formula of a plus b. A means x plus b means y plus z, a plus b. A minus B, A means X, minus B means Y plus Z. And since minus changes the sign, so this becomes minus Y minus Z. Similarly, if you suppose Y minus Z as A and X as B, then this is in the form of A square minus B square, which equals to A plus B into A minus B. That is, A means Y minus Z plus B means X. A minus B, A means Y minus Z, minus B means minus X. Denominator, if you suppose Y as A and Z plus X as B, then this is in the form of A square minus B square, which equals to what we know, A plus B into A minus B. So A means Y plus B means Z plus X, A plus B. A minus B, A means Y, minus B means Z plus X, but minus changes the sign, so this becomes Z minus X. Similarly, if you suppose Z minus X as A and Y as B, then this is also in the form of A square minus B square, which equals to A plus B. A means Z minus X plus B means Y. A minus B, A means Z minus X, minus B means minus Y. Denominator, if you suppose Z as A and X plus Y as B, then this is in the form of A square minus B square, which equals to A plus B. A means Z plus B means X plus Y. A minus B, A means Z, minus B means X plus Y, but minus changes the sign, so this becomes X minus Y. In each fraction, one factor will be cancelled. What will be cancelled here? X minus Y minus Z, X minus Y minus Z. Here, Y minus Z minus X, Y minus Z minus X. Here, Z minus X minus Y, Z minus X minus Y. Now, what is left? X minus Y plus Z, denominator as it is, X plus Y plus Z, plus Y minus Z plus X, arrange it, X plus Y plus Z. Similarly, third fraction is Z minus X plus Y. Arrange the denominator. If you arrange it, it becomes X plus Y plus Z. X plus Y plus Z, since all the fractions have same denominator, so LCM will be same, X plus Y plus Z. Numerator will be also same, X minus Y plus Z plus Y minus Z plus X plus Z minus X plus Y. Minus Y plus Y cancel, plus Z minus Z cancel, plus X minus X cancel. Then what is left here? Minus Y plus Y, yes. Now what is left? Here X is left, this X. Here Y is left, plus Y. And here plus Z. Denominator also same, X plus Y plus Z. X plus Y plus Z, one's X plus Y plus Z, which is 1. So this is simplified. 9 number question is, student, X upon X minus Y, X upon X minus Y times X minus Z, X minus Z plus Y upon Y minus Z into Y minus X, Y minus Z into Y minus X plus Z upon Z minus X, Z minus X, Z minus Y. We know that we have to take the LCM of denominator, and before to take the LCM of denominator, if possible, try to make the same denominator. So look here, first fraction I'm going to write as it is, X minus Y times X minus Z plus Y upon, look here, Y minus Z as it is. What is here? Y minus X. But what we need? X minus Y to make the same denominator. So how can you make Y minus X as X minus Y? By taking minus common. So when you take minus common, minus x becomes plus x and plus y becomes minus y. And whether you take minus common from first fraction or from first factor or from second factor, write that minus in the front. Plus z upon z minus x. Here is z minus x, but here you have x minus z. So to make z minus x as x minus z, what you have to do? Minus common. So minus common, then it becomes minus x becomes plus z becomes minus z. Similarly, here is z minus y, but what we have written here, y minus z. So how can you make z minus y as y minus z? By taking minus common. So minus minus becomes plus. And since we have taken minus common, minus y becomes plus y and plus z becomes minus z. Plus z becomes minus z. And I told you, either you take minus common from first factor or you take minus common from second factor. In both the situation, write minus in the front. Now take the LCM. LCM means common factor into remaining factor. But you know that even if it is common in two denominators, then also we write it only one time. So x minus y is common factor from first to denominator. Similarly, y minus z is common factor between second and third denominator. Now what is left? X minus z, and here also x minus z. This is the LCM. Which factor is not here from the LCM? Check. Y minus z. So this x should be multiplied by y minus z. Plus minus minus. Which factor is not here from the LCM? Y minus z we have. X minus y also we have. What we don't have? X minus z. So this y should be multiplied by x minus z. Plus, which factor is not here from the LCM? Check here. X minus z you have. Y minus z you have. So which factor is not here? X minus y. So z should be multiplied by x minus y. So this becomes x into y, xy, minus x into z, xz. Similarly here, minus y into x, xy, minus minus plus yz, plus z into x, xz, plus minus minus yz. Denominator same, that is x minus y times y minus z times x minus z. Look here, plus xy minus xy cancel, minus xz plus xz cancel. Similarly, plus yz minus yz cancel. So in plus and minus, if all the terms are cancelled, what is left? 0. 0 upon x minus y times y minus z times x minus z. And you know that 0 upon anything is 0. That's why this answer is 0. 10 number question is, student, 1 upon 8 times 1 minus root a plus, minus 1 upon 8 times 1 plus root a plus 2 times root a by 8 times 1 minus a. 8 times 1 minus a. This is our question. And we need to simplify this. So firstly, I'm taking the LCM of first two denominators. And LCM means, you know, common factor into remaining factor. So what is the common factor? 8. And remaining factor in first denominator is 1 minus root a. Remaining factor in second denominator is 1 plus root a. Now which factor is not here from the LCM? Check here. 1 plus root a. So this 1 should be multiplied by 1 plus root a. So 1 plus root a ones are 1 plus root a minus 8 we have already. Which factor is not here from the LCM? 1 minus root a. So this 1 should be multiplied by 1 minus root a. But since we have minus sign, so minus minus it becomes plus. And this is as above, 2 times root a by 8 times 1 minus a as above. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Root a plus root a becomes 2 times root a. 8 as it is. Now, if you consider 1 as A and root A as B, then this is in the form of A minus B into A plus B, which is the formula of A square minus B square. A square means 1, minus B square means root A square is A, plus 2 times root A upon 8 times 1 minus A is same. Now take the LCM. Since both the denominators have, both the fractions have same denominator, so LCM will be same, 8 times 1 minus A. And since denominators are same, so numerator will be also same. That is 2 times root A plus 2 times root A. 2 times root A plus 2 times root A becomes 4 times root A. And denominator same, 8 times 1 minus A. So 4 2s are 8. So at last, what is left? A square root of A upon 2 times 1 minus A. This is simplified. 11 number question is 1 upon B minus 5, 1 upon B minus 5, minus 1 upon B minus 3, minus 1 upon B minus 3, minus 2 upon B plus 3, B plus 5, B plus 3, B plus 5. Take the LCM of firstly these two denominators. So what is the LCM of these two denominators? B minus 3 into B plus 3. Which factor is not here from the LCM? B minus 3, the LCM of these two denominators is B minus 5 into B minus 3. Which factor is not here from the LCM? B minus 3. So this one should be multiplied by B minus 3. Minus, which factor is not here from the LCM? B minus 5. So this one should be multiplied by B minus 5. B minus 5 1 is B minus 5. And since we have here minus sign, so this becomes plus. Minus 2 upon B plus 3 into B plus 5 as it is. Minus B plus B cancel. 5 minus 3 becomes 2. Denominators I am arranging B minus 3 into B minus 5. Similarly, minus 2 upon B plus 3 into B plus 5. You can see 2 is common, so I am taking 2 common so that our calculation becomes easier. 1 upon B minus 3 into B minus 5 minus, since we have taken 2 common, so 1 upon B plus 3 into B plus 5. Now take the LCM of these two denominator. You can see nothing is common, so remaining all the factors we have to write as remaining factor. So this becomes B minus 3 into B minus 5, B plus 3 into B plus 5. Which factor is not here from the LCM? B plus 3 into B plus 5. So this one should be multiplied by B plus 3 into B plus 5 minus, which factor is not here from the LCM? B minus 3 into B minus 5. So this should be multiplied by B minus 3 into B minus 5. Look here, 2 same. Multiply these two. Firstly, I am multiplying by B. So this becomes B square plus 5B. Similarly, multiply by 3. Then this becomes 3B plus 3 5s are 15. Denominator also I am multiplying. B minus 3 into B plus 3. These two are in the form of A minus B into A plus B, which equals to, A square minus B square. So this can be written as B square minus 9. A square means B square, minus B square means 3 square. Similarly, these remaining two factors are also in the form of A minus B into A plus B, which equals to A square means B square, minus b square means 5 square, which is 25. In numerator, we have already multiplied these two factors. Now minus, we have to multiply these two factors. So firstly, I'm multiplying by b, then this becomes b square minus 5b. Now multiply by minus 3, then this becomes minus 3b, minus minus plus, 3 5s are 15. Okay, this 2 times as it is, b square as it is, 5b plus 3b becomes 8b, plus 15 minus b square, minus 5b minus 3b becomes minus 8b, but when it comes out, it becomes plus 8b, and minus plus minus, minus 15, this is 8b, upon denominator same, that is b square minus 9 into b square minus 25, plus b square cancel, plus 15 minus 15 cancel, bracket close. Now what is left? 2 into 8b plus 8b, 16 times b. This is same, b square minus 9, b square minus 25. 16b into 2 becomes 32 times b by b square minus 9 into b square minus 25. This is our answer. Dear students, we have solved lot of questions related to simplification of algebraic fraction. Hope you have understood it, and by using same method, you can practice these all questions as your practice questions. Thank you very much.